Running ClamAV antivirus and working with CVD database files. This is a virus signature database used by the ClamAV open source antivirus engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these files work. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor CVD errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A user encountering a CVD file is likely a system administrator or security-conscious user managing the ClamAV antivirus engine. They are looking to manually update, verify, or troubleshoot their virus definitions, as this file contains the critical signatures needed to detect malware and other threats. The CVD file is a compressed and digitally signed container. It holds a database of virus signatures in a proprietary binary format optimized for fast loading and searching by the ClamAV scan engine. The digital signature ensures the integrity and authenticity of the database, preventing tampering by malicious actors. ClamAV from Cisco Systems Inc. offers a certified solution for the CVD file type. This file contains executable code that Windows often blocks or quarantines by default. Windows only displays basic info, while the real data must be accessed through database tools. The first action is to find a successful opener. Right-click the CVD file and click Open With. Test ClamAV if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option in the list. If the CVD file won't open, don't panic. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, locating database files. Find CVD files in the ClamAV database directory, typically under var libclamav on Linux or the configured database path on Windows. The main database files include main.cvd, daily.cvd, and bytecode.cvd, providing comprehensive malware detection capabilities. Next, updating the database. Run freshclam, the ClamAV database update utility, to download the latest CVD files from ClamAV mirror servers. Configure freshclam to run on a schedule via cron or systemd timer, ensuring continuous protection against newly discovered threats appearing in the wild. Finally, verifying database integrity. Use sigtool info to display CVD file metadata and verify the cryptographic signature, confirming authenticity and detecting tampering. The verification ensures the database is unmodified from the official ClamAV release, providing reliable malware detection during file scans. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.